Among the foothills of South Dublin, near the hamlet of Glencullen, is the filled-up lake of Ballybetagh, from which yielded amazing numbers of that splendid animal, the giant deer or Irish elk. But it's not an elk at all, and its nearest relation is the well-known fallow deer. This is not an exclusively Irish animal, its bones and antlers have been found as far afield as Greece, the Caucasus and Russia, but it attained finer physique in this country than anywhere else. Its antlers are the most amazing thing about it. Grand branching horns with a great palmate centre and up to 9.5 feet across, and so it might well crown the coat of arms of Ireland as the finest and most characteristic member of our fauna, past or present.